Hello learners, welcome to Collanet Africa, where we're shaping your tomorrow. So today we have a very exciting package for you. So besides accessing all the lessons here, I want you to click this KCSE button here. It will open for you this page, the examinations, and then I just want you to check out what we have for you here under topical question banks. So as you can see, we have Form 1 syllabus, Form 2 syllabus. If you go to the next page, you'll find Form 3 and Form 4 syllabus, and it contains all the subjects that you'll find here. So let's say, for instance, you are in Form 1 and you want general practice questions. You will have access to all these general practice questions for agriculture, biology, business studies, chemistry, CRE, English, and all those are the subjects. And then we have topical questions arranged per subject. If you come to mathematics, you'll find all the topical questions in Form 1 mathematics, chemistry, biology, physics, English, and all these other subjects. And so let's say, for instance, you want you're a student, you've taken CRE and you want to find some questions for you. So just click Form 1 CRE. You want to do some revisions in CRE Form 1. So just click there. It will open for you Form 1 CRE, and you can see it's arranged by chapters. Like here we have Chapter 1, Introduction to CRE. That is Paper 1. Now you can see all the questions that you can be asked. All these are possible questions in this topic. So we have added all the questions here, and interestingly enough, we also have answers for you. So you just click there and then you can read and get all the answers for the questions that you've been asked in each of these sections. So that is CRE, Chapter 1, then Chapter 2, Chapter 3, Chapter 4, is Chapter 5, Chapter 6. I think that's the last chapter, and each of these we have answers for each and every section of the questions that you've been asked there. So when you want to refresh your memory, or you don't have access to resources, we have included all these resources here for you so that you can come and get access to everything that you need for your studies. And say, for instance, you just want general practice questions which is not in line with the topics for every subject, then you just go to that class. And then say, for instance, you want general practice questions in agriculture, then you just open. This will give you access to general practice questions in agriculture Form 1. Yeah, so here we have general practice questions, describe various farming systems. All these questions we have here for you, so you can do your practice with all these questions. Yeah, so general practice questions you can even find for mathematics added there, just waiting for you to start your practice. Yeah, so questions, question 1, you evaluate, express in simplest form. Yeah, so all these questions we have added here so that you can get, access to all these questions. If you have any problem with learning any concept, we have lessons. So just roll back to the unit. So that is one way. Then you go to the home or the lessons or the syllabus, whichever way. So just go back home and choose, like for instance, you want to study Form 1 mathematics. That's the subject you're looking for, maybe in LCM. Yeah, so you just go there directly, and then you'll find the lesson, and the teacher has taught it there. We have all the notes and everything. Yeah, so you just go to that lesson and you start learning. Yeah, so you come here, you just listen to the teacher, you play the video, the teacher will be teaching you. Yeah, you just listen to the teacher until the end. So once you finish here, you mark complete, and then it will open for you the next lesson. So you come here, and then you find multiples of numbers in the LCM, a set of numbers. So you'll just play the video and the teacher will be teaching here. If you need notes for this specific session, then you just scroll to under the video, you'll find the notes there with worked examples and even assignments. Assignments are given for you so that you can do to be conversant with that topic and that unit. You can move back and forth between lessons and the examinations and the revision material, everything, all of it is included for you under one roof. So just move around. So if clicking all this is boring to you, then you just click under your name here, then you go to units. So that will be direct. It will open for you all the units that you have access to. Yeah, so you'll find them here, all of them. So you just choose the unit that you want to learn. All the units will be listed here for you. If you want to learn work, energy, power, you just click there. It will take you straight to that lesson, and then you just go to the first lesson and start learning and do the assignments and get the notes and do the exams. It's sequential. You move from one lesson to the next so that you don't miss any concept here. So once you finish all this, then you'll go to the quiz section. So the quiz section is down here. So once you finish, then it will take you to the quiz. Read the instructions and it is timed. Yeah, this is the passing score. If you don't get this score in this exam, you'll not get a certificate of completion for this unit. So once you click start quiz, then the timer will start counting down for you, and then the questions are here. You work, if it's mathematical, you work in your workbook, and then you'll select your answers here, the correct answer, and then once you finish that, you go to next until you finish. So if time runs out before you finish the exam, it will be submitted automatically and you'll be locked out. So make sure you work with time and make sure you are able to finish this exam in time. So this is the passing score, because we believe after learning all these things here, you'll be able to score at least 80% in this examination. That is it. Once again, let me just show you the quiz. You'll find all the lessons here, and then when you click KCSE here, you'll have access to the revision materials, and so you can go to KCSE Revision Series 1 and you'll find all the papers here: English, Paper 1, Paper 2, Paper 3, Kiswahili, all these subjects, home science, geography, theory, computer, mathematics, agriculture, physics, business studies. All these resources we have availed here. You'll be able to get access to all these revision materials so that you can be able to, improve your studies and get access to all the resources which you would otherwise not have access to. And all these things are tracked under your account. You have access to everything here, all under one roof. This is the business studies. If you are taking business studies, this is paper 1. It's a model paper, complete paper. Yeah, so when you finish, you can confirm your answers here, if you've gotten it right or not. So I hope this will help you to improve your efficiency in studies. And remember, always at Collanet, we work together, and therefore we want you to also help your peers to get access to these resources. Once you've learned a concept here, always remember to teach someone else so that it sticks to your brain and you'll be able to recall it when you go to your exams or to apply it in life. Thank you very much and have a beautiful time.